Polly wants crackers, Polly says hi. Polly flaps wings and zooms through the sky. Hello, hello, clap hands, hooray. The parrot is talking the whole long day. Thank you, please and please. Parrot talks kindly with words that tease. Chatter, 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 what a song. The jungle joins in and sings along. So if you hear a funny hello, it's the parrot talking, letting you know. With colors so bright and a voice so sweet, the parrot's rhyme makes the jungle beat.